Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mayank and today I'm going to share with you a way with which you can automate your job search. So let me tell you a reality of job market in 2026. The job market is bad. I mean, if I tell you honestly, it is getting worse day by day. So if you're still assuming that the job market will recover and it will become as we had it during the time of COVID, I don't think that will happen anytime soon. And on the top of that, since we have a lot of AI agents in place, what people are doing is that they are automating the job search. So let's say a job is posted, people are using AI agents to scrape the job and even apply for it. So it's like number of open position is getting filled in just 1 hour. It's that fast because everybody is using AI. Now, I'm not going to comment that whether it's a right or wrong thing, but everybody is doing that. And I have also created my own Claude skill. What it does is that it searches for the job based on my resume. It searches the job. Okay, it finds the direct link to apply. It compares my work experience and my expertise against that job description. And if it matches or the score is greater, it rewrites or retunes my resume to make sure that it becomes ATS friendly and give my resume specific to that job posting. So you know how we used to do it earlier? We used to find a job description, we used to find a resume to make sure it fits that job description. Now that all thing will be automated by Claude. So this is the Claude skill that I've created, and I'll share that Claude skill with you, and also I'll tell you how to use that Claude skill. Now, let me tell you one more thing. You can even create a Python script or even you can write code to do that. But honestly, I'll tell you something important is that if you write code to do that, most of the sites are having blocker. Okay, so they will block the scraping that you will do with the code. So if you're writing code to scrape for jobs, I'm not sure whether it will work or not because all I know is that companies or the websites block that scraping. So it's better to use Claude skill. And secondly, Claude subscription costs you almost 2000 rupees per month. That's it. And see, if you use this skill and you use Claude for 4 to 5 months, so you're not only applying for job, that is one thing. You can also use it for your own coding interview preparation. That is another thing you can do. And even if you're using it for 6 months and you're spending 12,000 rupees on that, I think that's an investment because think about it, it's like an investment because we spend 1,000 or 1,500 rupees per month on things that we don't even need or things that are not even necessity. So what you can do is that skip that big purchase, which is not really necessary, and invest on Claude or any other AI agent for that matter, and use my Claude skill to automate your job search. Now, I'll not waste your further time and let's directly jump into how to use that skill. And the link to the skill I'll add in the description so you can use that skill from there. You can check the description and you can get the skill from there, but I'll show you how to use the skill. So my goal with this video is that the job guarantee. Everybody should get job because the job market is bad, and if you're still doing it via traditional way, then you're only slimming down your chances. Now I'll tell you one more thing. Direct referral. So let's say if you know someone in a company, okay, and if they directly refer a resume to a HR, the chances of you getting an interview opportunity from that is extremely high. So my skill will not beat that. Okay. So I'll say if you have a connection, leverage that. This is just an add-on thing that you can do. Okay. So there's nothing that can beat directly reaching out to recruiter, but this is an add-on thing, and this is a huge improvement over the traditional way of doing it. So let's directly jump into the skill. All right, so this is what the job search skill looks like. Okay, so I'll share this skill with you. What you can do is that you can go to the skill section and you can just add the skill. Okay, you can click on upload skill and skill will be uploaded. But I have already created this and you can also see it here, the job skill. Okay, now let me show you how to invoke it. What you have to do is that write job skill and you can write help to it and it will tell you everything that the skill can do. This will tell you full capability of the skill. So this is a job search assistant. Okay, this is automation. And what it does is that it has 4 commands. So first is job skill help. And this is what you're reading. It shows all the capabilities. Then job skill search. So what it does is that search across 12 job platforms per role matching your profile. Okay, for every match found, it automatically generates a ATS optimized resume tailored to that specific job or cover letter, and it returns a job title, job ID, platform, posting date, fitness score, which means how well your experience fit this role, and then resume, which is ready to download, and a cover letter. Now, most of the companies are even asking for cover letters, so I have added it as part of this skill. If it is not required, don't use it, and if it is required, you can use it directly. Okay, then it provides cover letter and direct apply link. Okay, so you don't have to waste time, looking for the link and then it's broken or something like that. No, it will directly give you the link, which will directly take you to the portal where you can directly click and apply. Okay, now another command here is automate. So what it does is that it's like a nightly automation. So what it does is that, let's say if you're using Claude, okay, and in your daytime you're using it for your day-to-day purpose, and at night you're not using it. So at that time your AI credits are there, but it's not being used. Okay, so what you can do is that you can say job skill automate, and it will do all the automation of finding the job or everything when you're sleeping or during the scheduled time at night, let's say 11:30 to morning 5, or at night 1 p.m. to morning till 6 or 7, so that it does all the scraping tasks and all the searching tasks at the time when you're sleeping, so that when you wake up fresh, you have your Claude limit recovered, and you also have a job posting ready. So this way you're not exhausting your Claude limit. Okay, then I have job skill status. What it does is that it checks the status of your application. Okay, so there's a connector in Claude, and what it does is that it connects to your Gmail. And what it will do is that it will automatically detect rejections, interview invites, and acknowledgements. Okay, and if you don't connect this Gmail connector of Claude for some reason, then yeah, it fallbacks to manual tracking if Gmail is not connected. But if you use this connector, it will automatically go through your Gmail and it will automatically fetch the status of your application. It will notify you. And also, there is one more thing: if you want email of these job postings every day, even that can be done with this skill. Okay. Now, I would suggest is that if you think for some personal reason or some privacy reason you don't want to connect your Gmail, create a new professional Gmail, use it only for applying to job, and connect it to this Claude skill. That'd be good. Okay. Now, it also works in a natural language way. Like what you can say is that find me React job in Bangalore, or search for data science role in Pune with salary range for 15 to 25 LPA, or you can also ask apply for job and paste the job URL. And you can also say track the status of my application. What is the status of my application that I applied for? How many jobs I applied for? Or any response from companies that I applied to? Or set up daily job searches at 11 p.m. It does all the natural language processing also. Now, what are the platforms that it is going to search through? It is going to search through Naukri, LinkedIn, InstaHire, Kurtshot, Hireis, Indeed, founded on Monster India, then Shine, TimesJob, Glassdoor India, AngelList, which is well found now, we work remotely, and even direct company pages. Okay, now, if you would have written your own code and you would be scraping manually, many of these websites would have blocked the scraping. But with the Claude, this won't be the issue. Secondly, what you can do is that you can download Chrome and use the Claude extension, and it will directly go to your browser, open the web page like you're human with your signed in account, and it can also scrape from there. So there's infinite possibilities when you're using Claude, and there's no issue of being blocked. Okay. Now, what exactly it does, it searches through all the 12 plus platforms, and it scores and rank every result, verifies every link is live. That is important. It verifies whether the link is live or not. And for every match, it generates an ATS-optimized resume that is tailored to that specific job. Okay, and for every match, it writes a tailored cover letter mapping your experience to that job requirement. And the cover letter will be written in a human-friendly way, so that doesn't sound like it is written by a bot. Okay, now ATS keyword optimization is built into every resume, and it shows you job ID, job title, platform, posting date, fitness score, resume, cover letter, apply link, as I already mentioned, and bundles all resume and cover letter and zip into an organized folder. So it zips it and keeps it organized in two folders by the company name, so that it is easy for you to apply. Okay, now it also runs weekly for self-correction review. So it adjusts its strategy based on what is working and what's not working. So let's say you kept applying and you didn't get any response. This skill will automatically scrape to your Gmail, see the status, and if it sees, oh, it's not working or this strategy is not working, it automatically correct itself to see what exactly is working, why it is not working. It automatically finds that. So it's that powerful a skill. Okay. Now, yeah, if you want to prepare for interviews, what you can do is that you can use my YouTube channel link. It is also mentioned here. So yeah, please check out my system design playlist. I'm putting a lot of effort on that, okay? But yeah, now let me show you how it will work. So yeah, I just have to say job skill search. So I'm just writing job skill search, and it will do all the tasks. So let's see how it is working. So yeah, for first run, it will take some time, but after that, it will be fast. Okay, and nightly scheduling will be the best thing. So yeah, now it is asking me what kind of roles I'm targeting for: backend, full stack, system infra, front end, whatever. Oh, I'm looking for C++ backend role. Okay, C++ backend role. And where am I looking at? Oh, I'm looking it in Bangalore. Okay, how many years of experience do I have? Oh, I have 5 to 8 years of experience. Okay, now it will ask me for my resume and it will search job for me. And I know wrote the spelling of role wrong, but yeah, it automatically corrects because it's a AI agent. Okay, now let me give it my resume. So now I have given it my resume. You can upload your resume in PDF format, docs format, or text format, whatever you want. Okay, now I have given it my resume. Now, if you have any other expectation, like I want this particular company or this particular package or anything like that, like I want hybrid or something like that, you can give the preference. But I don't have any preference for now, so I'll say okay, search. Okay, now what you can also see is that if what all website is going through. So yeah, if you see, it is going through Naukri.com, it is going through LinkedIn, it is going through Harvest, you know, it's going through InstaHire. It is also going through all other websites like, particular company website also like Built-in or Tower Research or Naukri.com. Yeah. So, whatever platforms I mentioned, it is going to go through all of those platforms and find job for you. And based on my experiences, told me like NVIDIA senior network engineer or software engineering role is a strong fit for me. Okay. Now, yeah, it has given me a good haul of companies like company name Roku. The role is senior software engineer, experience required 5 to 10 years. Platform is InstaHire and fitness score is 85%. And why it fits? Because it requires multi-threading, Linux distributed systems, AWS, and that is near direct match to my C++ and plus skill. Similarly, color tokens, NVIDIA, higher iris listing, M&M high tech, and many other. Okay, now it is asking me, want me to generate tailor resume plus cover letter for all this job description? I'll simply say yes. And what it will do is that it will give me a direct link to apply. It will also give me the resume and it will also give me the cover letter. Okay, just let it do it because this step is going to take a little bit of time because it has to go through job description and it has to generate resume for you. So this step will take a little bit of time. And when I say little bit, it can take up to 5 minutes to do that. Now that thing is going to take some time. So I've already executed this before recording this video. So I'll show you how the result would look like. See, there are 4 opportunities that was suiting my role. Like one is Hawaii, Bangalore. So it gave me the cover letter. You can see the cover letter here and it also gave me the resume for that. Now, one more thing I want to highlight, the resume that you will see generated by this skill will be the one that is popularly used. But if you want to use your own resume format, what you can do is that you can give that resume format to this skill. Okay, it will take that resume format and it will generate all the further resume in that particular format only. So, this skill is extremely powerful. So yeah, this is it for this video. My goal with this video was to share my resume skill with you because, everybody's using automation today because as soon as a job posting is there, people use automation, they get the resume and they apply to it. And if you're late in the process, that will be very hard to get your resume shortlisted. Already the job market is bad. So yeah, use the skill and get job fast. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more such interesting videos. And thank you and all the best.